What if a sequence never ends? No final value, no stopping point, just keep producing number forever on demand. That's an infinite iterator, and it's more useful than it sounds. So how it works? Normally, iterator eventually return done true, and infinite iterator just never does. Done stay false forever. You control when to stop from the outside. Or it sounds look like this one. You can see n equals 0, return symbol, and next return the value increment. You see it said increment. So and done will be false. So it never stop. No int condition inside. The iterator doesn't decide when to stop. The consumer does. So when it is using to safely, use break to exit when you are done. It means this one, the name, this is the function, use the for loop, for off loop, and you can set the break when you set the condition. Console.log the n, and it is stop because n is the actual number and it is stop here. Okay, only the values you asked for get produced. Nothing extra is computed. That's the whole point. Lazy evaluation. Now let's check the real use case ID generator. Here is something special. A unique ID generator. This one. This is the function. It's received the prefix. ID initially will be 1. It's returned with this symbol.iterator. Initially return this one. And using the next method, return the value with the prefix. ID will be plus plus and that will be false. That means when user ID, this user ID, you set the prefix as a user, the next dot value, because you also have the value. So when you set, then you get the prefix is the user and this is the incremented value. Okay, every time you need a new ID. So that's why we call it next. It's never runs out. This is a real pattern used in apps for generating keys, tokens, sequence number. So the bigger picture is infinite iterator are how JavaScript model think like streaming data, paginated APIs result, event sequences. Anything where you don't know the end upfront. You don't preload everything. You pull values as needed. That's what makes it powerful. I hope you learned something from this topics. So follow for more JavaScript tips.